Today we're looking at 10 premium cars that stay strong even long after the warranty is gone, so you can enjoy the good life without the bad bills. We've pulled real-world reliability data, repair costs, and owner experiences from J.D. Power, Consumer Reports, and forums. Let's start with number 10. Number 10, Infiniti Q50, 2016 to 2022. If you want Japanese reliability but with a sportier and more premium edge, the Infiniti Q50 is a fantastic choice after the warranty ends. Its 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, especially in the 300 horsepower version, is both smooth and durable when maintained properly. The interior feels upscale, with plenty of tech and leather, while still avoiding the overly complicated electronics that can plague some German rivals. 9. Genesis G70 2019 Plus, the underdog that punches above its weight. Here's a brand most people ignored just a few years ago. The G70 from Hyundai's luxury arm came in swinging at BMW's 3 Series and landed some serious punches. The 2.0 turbo and 3.3 twin-turbo V6 are both proven powertrains. Inside, you get high-end materials, tight handling, and technology that works without glitching every other week. Repair bills, around $600 per year on average. If you want that European feel without European headaches, this is the car. 8. Audi A4 B9 2017 Plus. The comeback kid Audi didn't always have the best reputation for reliability, but the B9 generation changed that. The 2.0 T Gen 3 engine fixed the oil-burning problems of the past. Quattro AWD gives you confidence in all weather, and the cabin feels like a tech lover's dream. Yes, you still need regular care, but this is a German sedan you can own past 100,000 miles without it becoming your mechanic's retirement plan. 7. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212, old-school Benz build quality. There's something about closing the door on a W212 E-Class. It feels like you're sealing a vault. The E350's naturally aspirated V6 is simple, smooth, and nearly bulletproof. It's also from that sweet spot in Mercedes history, before the interiors became screen-heavy and electronics became overly complex. This is the car that still has that bank vault feel, but without the bank account drain. 6. Acura RLX 2014 to 2020, the quiet achiever. If the RLX had a dating profile, it would say dependable, sophisticated, and low drama. Under the hood, a 3.5-liter Honda Vaz 6, the same engine family that powers minivans and SUVs past 200,000 miles with ease. It's whisper quiet inside, and even the hybrid SHAWD system is built for longevity. You can pick one up for shockingly low prices, making it one of the best-kept secrets in used luxury. Paragraph 5. Porsche Cayman, luxury that loves to be driven. Most sports cars punish you if you try to daily drive them. The Cayman rewards you. Post-2009 models solved the dreaded IMS bearing issue, and the flat 6 engines are a joy to use. Sure, it costs about $1,000 to $1,200 per year to maintain, but for a car that can carve up back roads and still be reliable after 100,000 miles, that's a bargain in the sports car world. 4. Jaguar XF 2016 Plus, the British surprise. Yes, I know, Jaguar and reliable in the same sentence sounds like a joke. But post-2016 XFs, built under Tata Motors ownership, are genuinely solid. The interior quality is worlds better, the electronics aren't haunted anymore, and the 2.0 petrol and diesel options have held up really well. It's the car for someone who wants to stand out in the parking lot without standing in line at the repair shop every month. 3. BMW 5 Series EF10 2011 to 2016. The sensible BMW owning a BMW after warranty usually means keeping your mechanic on speed dial. But the F10 5 Series, especially with the N24 cylinder or N55 inline 6, is an exception. They're comfortable, refined, and still have that BMW driving magic. The only rule: avoid the 550i V8 unless you enjoy expensive engine teardowns. 2. Lexus LS 460/LS 500. The unstoppable luxury sedan. The LS is Lexus's flagship, and one of the few luxury sedans that owners routinely drive 300,000, even 500,000 miles. It's built to be quiet, smooth, and almost immune to the kind of failures that plague European flagships. It's not flashy, but it's the definition of buy once, drive forever. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser/Lexus LX. The king of longevity. If you need a vehicle that can cross the Sahara, survive Siberian winters, and still look classy in front of a hotel, this is it. The Land Cruiser and Lexus LX are legends for a reason. Yes, they drink fuel. Yes, they're expensive to buy. But once you own one, the low failure rate and long lifespan make them one of the smartest luxury investments you can make. There's the full list: 10 luxury cars that won't break your heart or your bank account. Which one would you trust to own past 100,000 miles? Let me know in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more real-world car advice.